Success, the for and against, or the advantages and disadvantages of success. Success, the for and against. The four advantages of success. Number one, fulfillment and achievement. Success gives a sense of accomplishment. When people reach their goals, they feel proud of their hard work and dedication. Number two, better opportunities. Successful individuals often gain more opportunities in life, better careers, financial stability, and the ability to pursue their passions. Number three, positive influence. Successful people can inspire others. Their stories motivate others to do work and believe that their dreams are possible. Number four, ability to help others. With success, people often gain resources, influence, and knowledge that allow them to help their families and communities. The against or the disadvantages of success. Number one, pressure and stress. Success can bring high expectations. People may feel pressure to maintain their achievements, which can cause stress and anxiety. Number two, loss of privacy. Very successful individuals sometimes lose their privacy because others constantly watch or judge them. Number three, materialism and pride. Some people may become too focused on money, status, or fame, forgetting the deeper meaning of life. Number four, relationship challenges. Success can sometimes create distance between people, especially if ambition begins to replace time with family and friends. Success can bring joy, opportunity, and influence, but it can also bring pressure, pride, and imbalance. True success is not only about wealth or recognition. It is about living with purpose, peace of mind, and meaningful relationships. Success, what it gives and what it takes. When we hear the word success, many things come to mind: money, recognition, power, achievements. Society often teaches us success is the ultimate destination of life. But have you ever asked yourself, what does success really give us and what does it take away? On one side, success is beautiful. It rewards years of hard work, sleepless nights, and sacrifices. It opens doors that once seemed impossible to enter. It allows people to provide for their families, help others, and turn dreams into reality. Many of the world's greatest inspiration started with nothing but a dream and the courage to chase it. But there is another side of success. Sometimes success brings pressure, the pressure to stay on top, the pressure to never fail, the pressure to always be strong when we are tired. Some people reach the top of the mountain only to realize they climbed it alone. And that leads us to an important question. What is the purpose of success if we lose our peace, our relationships, or ourselves along the way? True success is not only measured by what we achieve, it is measured by who we become while achieving it. Because in the end, success is not just about reaching the top. It is about reaching the top without losing your humanity, your kindness, and your peace of mind. So chase your dreams, work hard, aim high, but never forget, the greatest success in life is not the applause of the world. It is the quiet moment when you can say, look at your life and say, I live with purpose, I love deeply, and I remain true to myself.